Mexico City's government lifted Thursday a 4-day air pollution emergency alert after the authorities ordered traffic restrictions and atmospheric conditions improved. The ozone pollution alert was declared on Monday due to a poor dispersion of pollutants and intense solar radiation around Greater Mexico City. Thousands of cars in the capital were ordered off the streets under the restrictions. The government also recommended people to stay indoors. Mexico City's last alert for ozone was in 2002, and the last pollution alert for air particles was in 2005.